Hello friends, and welcome to a new tutorial on NailPossible. In today's video we're going to create this Christmas tree design. We start applying a base coat. And first we're going to apply a glittery red polish to the index, pinky and thumb. I'm trying to be very careful not to touch my cuticles because red is sometimes a bit hard to remove, and if you need to clean up, do it as soon as possible. Now for the rest of the nails we're going to use a similar polish but with a matte finish. Again, being very careful so we don't stain the cuticles. Okay, time for second coat, starting with the glitter. And now the matte polish. For the design, we're going to be using this Christmas plate I received from Pretty Store and a gold polish. This is the image we will be using. And we're going to remove everything around the tree with some tape until we get something like this. Now we stamp this on the matte nails. And clean up any residue from the stamping. Now I'm going to mix a bit of clear polish with some of the red glitter we used before. We're mixing it because the glitter is a bit chunky. And we're going to fill in the trees with this mixture using a thin brush. With a dotting tool and the same mixture, we're going to add some dots all around. And we finish by adding a top coat to the nails with the glitter polish. And here's our finished design. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember you can give this video a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!